tata n'ihe onyinye a anyị ga-ekwu maka Lionheart. Lionheart, Obiagu, the movie Lionheart. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Supu, the Igbo language cafe. Achomi kenunu kuni simepute febia kani no kono no sonibo eba kita ta na Supu, the Igbo language cafe. Afambo biopala abumonye nkuzinu eba kita na Supu, the Igbo language cafe. So it has been a long time. What they can go no afọ ọma na 2019 makana ihe onyonyo mme kemgbe njizi mee ihe onyonyo mme kemgbe mbido January ruo taa emebe m ọzọ. So it's been such a long time since the start of January till now. All the plans ihe niile nkwadosi si na m ga-eme Supu project, m ga-akụzi ụmụaka ka esi asụ Igbo, ha ncha niile ebusigo m ha wụpụ na window. So it's one thing all free ihe isi nke a ka m ga-eme ma nọọsụ emepụta so yes, possible project. I mean, I'm still here. Ihe onyonyo nke a mpụta kịta kwa nka ngwa unu na ọba ka no Supu kama mana o nwetu ụmụ obere ife ikwesịrị m inede anya tupu na ya apụtakwa ọzọ. Mana kịta no abịago, I'm here now. I'm back again on YouTube. So we will be shooting our videos. In the meantime, I might just have to tweak our plans a little bit. Ụfọdụ ndị ihe nsi na nka ga-eme ha mana anyị ga-eji nwayọ mepụta ha ụzọ ọzọ, anyị ga-eji ụzọ ọzọ mepụta ha. But what have I been up to since when I think my last video was either the 7th or the 8th of January. YouTube says that my last video was about a month ago, which I do agree. Yes, that is true. In the meantime, throughout, oh wait, hey man, hold on. I'm going to put a video. Just wait. There's a video I'm going to find on YouTube, which I have been absolutely loving. It's a music video by this guy, this musician, Nigerian musician. His name is Fino. I've actually Fino. I think it's Fino. He had not before, but Final. I was saying Final before. Then realized that actually Final, well, that name is actually the shortened version of what? Phenomenal. So it's not Final, it's actually Fino. So for anyone like me out there who's been saying Final, bro, Final, no, Fino as per phenomenal. So this guy now, Fino, onwe gwoti, and kansi chote egwu abona, mmadu kumaka, onwe ihe onyonyo the Nollywood. So there's a Nollywood video that somebody talked about on Facebook. Well, several friends of mine who went in Facebook and I say, we're going to kill Lionheart menka. And I say, okay, need to Lionheart. Let me just go online and check out this Lionheart. And somehow I found Lionheart on Netflix. And I was super chuffed. It's one of these films where on a good day, I'm not very watch a movie kind of person. I'd rather just spend my time doing other things that, I'm a very active, that kind of person. I'm super get up and do things kind of person. So really to sit down and watch, if I no that can kiddie TV, more can kiddie video. That's how bad it is. But this one now, I sat down, I put it on, and video. I just sent him a text, say, guy, come, make me watch this TV thing together. Because there's a movie I just found on Netflix. I think you're going to enjoy it. He was working, but he left his work because he was tired as well. Came upstairs and we watched the movie. And that is how Lionheart came into my life. Very, very unexpectedly. Ma, kangona, mobu no ne kilibe Lionheart. Kiriania. Obro makana ndi no ni obro na ndi actors na actresses no na film obro na him. It's actually a good chunk of the cream actresses and actors of Nollywood. Ndi no ni abo Genevieve Nnaji. Onye konweno. Kindo ozo no ni Ngozi Ezo no ni Nkemo, of course. Fino is there, and how can I forget Ebubedike's name? Or Ebubedike Makan even no boss of where. But no, I can't forget his name. Wait, let me find his name now. Wow, how do you forget the name of one of Nigerian's top acts? Peter Dochie. Chukubiko Melmebele. Please, guys. So I'm gonna say this thing again. Ndi no na fema bo Genevieve Nnaji, Peter Dochie, Nkemo Onyeka Oweno, Ngozi Ezeonu, keza here, Onyekwa, Peter Dochie, Fino is there, and Peter Okwe, Omara Atfi, Okwe for air. He's done well, man. I want them to just stick to the songs you sing, because you are absolutely amazing when you sing with your brother. You guys are P-squared are cool. You're really good when you sing together. You have made the Nigerian music industry, just pushed it up. Stick to the music. Leave movies for those that act well. I know you tried, but that's just me thinking. Anyway, so he was there, and it's a nice film. It's a nice movie. Now, my watching it's not just because Obroma Kanandi Anonimi, Obroma Kanandi Ezigbo actors and actresses are, because I can't say cream of the Nollywood industry. I can't say that in Igbo, so I can say Ezigbo. Can say Ezigbo. Ezigbo means good. The very good. Ndi Ezigbo, they are really cool. Obroma Kana hand on a film and manner. And it's not like I love the movie. It's not like the storyline is so unique. It's good. It's really good. And actually, my saying it to show how good I think the storyline is, it actually inspired me and my sister. We're setting up a company for something which I'll probably bring it up sometime along the line. I'm gonna find the relevance of what we're doing sometime to talk about it on Supu. But it's not just that. It's not about the storyline. But for me, it's how they sold the language, Igbo language. Anything I do, even starting my own business, if I'm going to write it down in Igbo, I will write it down, because it's all about selling that language, selling Igbo language. So for me, my love for the movie was the way they picked, the scenes where they spoke Igbo, and they spoke Igbo well. I love it. And I listen, and that's exactly what the movie did for me. I liked the start, and when the movie started, and Genevieve came out and she said something in Igbo. Unfortunately, I haven't got it here so that I can probably I will find it, but I haven't got the words. My favorite scene in the film, if you've heard me talk about Igbo language and speaking Igbo, then you will guess if you've seen the movie, obviously. Mana ebe nkasi, ebe obi mu kasi, dinia na film abona oge hanchano ko onu na dining table hanelinde. Oge odika nkemo na munye bia munye bo Ngozi Ezeonu. Now, in short, I would like to tell you, the way the movie is, Genevieve and Nnaji, without letting you know, without giving anything out, so there's this very wealthy family that own a business, and in it, the daughter she's like the heir to the business, and she has to take on her father's business and push it and make it work, take it to the next level. That's what the movie is all about, in short. And when you watch it, you see that they bring in various or other members of the family, important members of the family to support her. Now, one other thing I like about this movie is family. They brought in that family structure. When you have family, and that also points or ties in with the experience I'm having right now at home in my family, because I'm seeing where families support each other. There is nothing as beautiful. You might have all the money in the world. Without love, it's just like clanging cymbals, Mana, even if you don't have money and you have love, you have your family, the love of your family, you have their backing, supporting you, it makes such a difference. So in one days, it goes a long way. Ona ejeta aka man dinine madinine no fu ezinụlọ tinye aka gosi onwe ha na hafuru onwe ha n'anya. There's nothing as important as family showing love to one another, giving that support for one another. I'm experiencing it right now in my family because I'm going through some things, and I bless God for the experience as well, because you would never know. You once in a while you just need to experience that love in family. So like I said, na Lionheart in Igbo Obiagu. So in Igbo, the word Lionheart is actually Obiagu. That's the heart of a lion. So Lionheart. Na n'ihe onyonyo a Lionheart, oge o nwe ebe ndị ezinụlọ onye ezinụlọ, a member of the family, ofu onye na ezinụlọ bịa nye aka wee mee ka ihe anụnwa nwa na-emenye na papia ka business wee nyere ha aka. So it's a place where it's a time when she needed family support for her to learn, for her to develop, for her to blossom into whatever she will become at the end of the film. You need to see it yourself. She needed that support from family, and it was amazing. So guys, if you have family that you need to support, you have brothers and sisters, one of the things I have learned in life is that I remember that there's this cliched story where an old man gives his children a broom. When you when we say agbaje mkpụrụ azịza ahụ obutezi azịza ekedo nye ha ngwa gbajie na azịza anụ achọghị ka ha gbajie azịza ahụ okwero ha agbaji maka na iweta ofu mkpụrụ azịza igbere aka gị mee ya to gbajie, mana ibute azịza ibute eto ọnụ isi kekodi ọnụ make ya agbaji o menkwe gbaji. So what I'm trying to say is, in English, so this old man gives each of his children a broomstick to break. And very easily you snap it. You can snap it with a finger. Then he brings the bunch with all the sticks tied together and gives it to them to break, and nobody could break it. And I think what he was trying to teach them is that there is strength in unity, and that is absolutely true. There is strength in unity. Incidentally, or very, very interestingly, my grandfather actually did that with his children, trying to say to them, guys, there is strength in unity. You cannot always do it on your own. Even if there is one person who is obviously bigger and stronger than the others, together you become one mighty force. And it ties in with something very interesting in the Bible, where the Bible says that, and the eye say to the nose, oh, I am not going to work with you anymore. And the eye am the most important. And the nose say, no, I won't work with you because I breathe. I'm the one that breathes in air. I'm the most important. Every part of the body has to work together to make the body what it is, and that's exactly how it is. So in that movie Lionheart, it's not just celebrating this strong woman that owns a business and that is going to take over a business. It's not just celebrating a successful business and seeing it grow to the next level. It's not just celebrating the Igbo language. No, it's not just celebrating the Igbo language, which is one message I absolutely adore and I really want to push. Guys, go and watch Lionheart if you haven't, because it's really good. It's an English movie, it's an English language movie, but they speak Igbo in a lot of the scenes. One other thing that it is celebrating is family. It's celebrating family love, it's celebrating unity, it's celebrating people working together, it's celebrating people sitting down and taking advice from those that have gone before you. There is no way, something my husband's mom normally says is that if you as a young person, if you stand on what you will stand on top of the coconut tree to see. So I will stand on ground and see what you will need to climb a coconut tree to see. So that is an ilu from the Igbo people. So guys, Lionheart, I think I came here to say that I am back, that Supu is back. And this is just one video of many. I'm gonna shoot several other videos this week and pop them up online. I'm back, Supu is back, and we have started our first video of the few months coming by talking about Lionheart. In my next videos to come, the very next one, I bought a book. It's a fairy tale book I used to read as a child. and I'd like to share it with children out there. Please, you need to stay tuned if you really want to know what I'm talking about. On that note, I'm gonna say goodbye, and I will find that Obiagu movie. The Obiagu song. Yes. So at the end of the movie, at the end of the of Lionheart, Fino, you need to. I won't tell you what he's doing in the movie. Okay, he's one of the. I don't want to give out anything. Okay, you go watch it. But there he does sing a song called Obiagu. And after watching it, I had to go on YouTube. And then he said something really interesting. Come on, no ganya no fe. Nyato na yato. Funny. Oh. Nyato na yato. Hey! Oh yeah. Guys, we have to go. So see you next time on Supu. Oh my god, I didn't even introduce myself.